Every morning after age 60, your eyes are quietly losing the single most critical molecule keeping your vision clear. It's not happening slowly, it is happening rapidly, and by the time you notice that first patch of blurring or fuzziness, nearly 40% of that protective ocular layer is already gone forever. Your doctor has never told you this, not once, because conventional medicine is designed to wait until you need surgery. But right now, as you watch this, a timer is ticking, and the window to protect your remaining sight is closing faster than you think. There are 6 common seeds sitting on grocery store shelves right now that contain the exact highly concentrated compounds your eyes are literally starving for. These compounds don't just slow down the destruction, they are clinically proven to initiate cell repair. And the absolute #1 seed on this list starts actively working inside your delicate eye tissue within 24 hours. If you want to claim your personalized daily blueprint and see the full step-by-step breakdown of how to prepare these ingredients correctly, click the link on your screen right now to access my complete zero-cost vision restoration resource before this video ends. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and the heavy fog greeting you today is just slightly softer. Imagine the painful dryness that hits before you're even out of bed being noticeably calmer, and the blur, the irritation, and the dim quality of everything around you becoming measurably better. That isn't just wild hope, that is pure biology. My name is Dr. Susan Sevelt. I have spent over 2 decades working in clinical ophthalmology and nutritional ocular medicine, and what I am sharing today took months of grueling research that 99% of people will never see. Every single year after you cross 60, your lens loses its primary antioxidant defense at a devastating rate of roughly 8% annually. The missing compound is called glutathione. Without it, your lens hardens, the internal proteins clump together, and your eyes completely lose the ability to focus. This is a structural collapse happening on a timeline your optometrist can see on his digital scans, but rarely explains to you. And what terrifies me most as a physician is lipid peroxidation, invisible, aggressive chain reactions of cellular destruction spreading through your lens tissue right now. You cannot feel it, and you cannot see it, but it is multiplying every single day you do nothing. The clock is ticking, and every day you delay is another day of irreversible cellular degradation. If you want to stop this damage in its tracks and restore your natural clarity, click the link on your screen right now to secure your free access to my complete vision defense protocol, because ignoring this means letting your sight slip away week by week. Your doctor will tell you to wear sunglasses, eat more carrots, or take a generic multivitamin. Those things help a tiny bit, but they are merely patching over symptoms. They do not address the root cause. Your lens is collapsing because it lacks the raw materials to produce glutathione. But this collapse is not inevitable, and it is not written into your genetics. It is a correctable nutritional deficiency. Certain seeds force your body to restore glutathione production through exact biochemistry documented in over 1,000 clinical studies. When glutathione floods back into your eye tissue, your lens initiates what we call crystalline protein repair, literally cleaning itself from the inside out like a foggy windshield, becoming crystal clear. When this happens, light transmission through your lens can improve by up to 40% in a single week. But you must understand that not all seeds are equal. Some are complete marketing noise, and others only work if you prepare them using a specific thermal technique that almost nobody knows. Let's look at the data. At number 6 are sesame seeds. They contain zinc and vitamin E, but a 2024 study in the Journal of Nutritional Science showed they only improve lens antioxidant markers by a measly 6%. Why? Because they are loaded with phytic acid, an anti-nutrient that blocks your body from absorbing the zinc. To fix this, you must dry roast them in a pan for exactly 3 minutes to break down that barrier. Number 5 is soaked pumpkin seeds with lemon. They boast an incredible 10 milligrams of zinc per ounce, but a 2023 study in the British Journal of Ophthalmology found they only improve macular pigment density if eaten every single day without exception. To unlock them, you must submerge them in water with fresh lemon overnight for 8 hours minimum so the citric acid can release the trapped minerals. At number 4 are hemp seeds, which deliver a perfect 3-to-1 omega fatty acid ratio that reduces ocular inflammatory markers by 32% in just 6 weeks, rapidly calming that gritty, scratched feeling. Number 3 is ground chia seeds paired with coconut oil, which delivers essential DHA directly to your retina, improving tear film stability by 38% in 3 weeks. But remember, if you eat chia seeds whole, they pass through you completely intact. You must grind them fresh in a coffee grinder for 10 seconds. Number 2 is ground flax seed paired with avocado. Flax is the highest plant source of omega-3 on Earth, and when you pair it with the monounsaturated fats in an avocado, the bioavailability skyrockets by an astonishing 300%. A 2021 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed this exact pairing slashed oxidative stress markers in the lens by 41%. But the absolute king of eye repair is seed number 1. Raw sunflower seeds combined with avocado and fresh lemon. Sunflower seeds contain the highest concentration of vitamin E of any common seed on Earth. This is the master antioxidant that stops lipid peroxidation dead in its tracks. The avocado provides the oleic acid required for your intestines to absorb the vitamin E at full efficiency, and the lemon juice acts as a biological regenerator, donating electrons to spent vitamin E molecules so they keep cycling and protecting your lens for hours instead of minutes. A landmark study published in the journal Ophthalmology found that adults consuming this precise nutrient synergy showed a 25% reduced risk of cataract progression, a 34% improvement in objective lens clarity, and a measurable slowdown in macular degeneration. This is the ultimate biological shield. Your exact daily protocol is 1 ounce of raw sunflower seeds, a quarter of a ripe avocado, and the juice of half a fresh lemon eaten together every single morning. The timing is the mechanism. If you eat them separately, your absorption drops by up to 70%. Do not let your independence and your vibrant life be stolen by preventable vision decline. You have the clinical proof right in front of you, but knowledge is meaningless without action. Click the link on your screen right now to claim your complete, zero-cost vision restoration roadmap, map out your grocery list, and lock in this protocol before your eyes lose any more ground. Avoid the critical mistakes. Never eat your seeds in the evening. Avoid coffee or tea within 2 hours of consumption because tannins completely bind the zinc, and never buy pre-ground flax or flavored seeds that contain toxic additives. You are not broken, and your eyes are not failing due to some unstoppable genetic curse. Your diet is simply missing the specific raw materials it needs to fight back. Fix the diet, and you will fix the eyes. Take my 30-day challenge starting tomorrow morning. Write down your vision complaints today, rate them from 1 to 10, and track the remarkable transformation by day 30. The science is rock solid. The results are real, and your eyes have been waiting for this. Click the link, take charge of your sight, and let the biology do the rest.